right, if you are having waist pain and you go for a test, either x-ray, and you were told you are having lumbar spondylosis, either lumbar spondylosis or lumbar spondylitis, whatever they call it, this is a free recipe for you. You come across this video is not by chance. It's the fact that you're about to get solution to that severe waist pain you have been having. Before I continue the video, I will appreciate if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel here. I want you to on down your notification so that whenever I drop a free recipe like this, it can get to you first. Okay, lumbar spondylosis is a health challenge that deal with mostly men above 40 years. That's when you might start having it. It can be as a result, if you are having such complaint before that certain age, it could be as a result of maybe you fall down or not, but you didn't fall down, but you have a serious severe pain in your spine that has actually affected you from sitting down for long. Have you noticed that? You sit down for long, you have to stand up. You understand? You stand up for some time, you sit down again. You are never comfortable sitting down. That's early sign of lumbar spondylosis. So I'm going to be giving you a free recipe. Have you subscribed to my YouTube? It's an advantage for you because I've dropped so many free recipes for your daily in and out lifestyle that can reverse your life and give you a life more of lifespan. What they say is early dictate gives a new life, as I've always said. If you are having such pain, it's divided into two. Waist pain can be as a result of lumbar spondylosis. It could be as a result of kidney related issue. Yes, that waist pain you are having could be a result of your kidney giving you a sign that you need to quickly check up. Another symptoms you might be having, if it's related to kidney, is foamy urine, smelling urine, and the pain will be more severe on your right hand here at the back. Look at my hand. When you start having such a severe pain on the right side of your waistline, that could be a kidney related issue. But how are you going to know this? I will advise you go for a kidney function test, which they are going to request for your early morning urine. I want you to quickly take note. If you are given a cup to bring your urine, because at times when you are treating a spine issue or anything that has to do with your back, low back, whichever one, every doctor that will treat you will first of all ask you this question I'm asking you. Is what I know, and this is what I've been treating for a very long time. So when you go to where you want to do that test, they will give you a cup. You go home with it to bring your sample the next day. They will ask you to pee in that container. So that pee, when you want to pee, the first pee you pee in the morning when you eat or urine. So you first urine for that morning. Immediately you get to the toilet, just do, like let me say you want to pee, you just do shh. The first one should waste. Then the next one that comes immediately after the first urine, like when you bring out your penis or you bend down as a woman, you allow the first urine to come out like little one before you now put your cup. Take it for a test for them to check the function of your kidney and see if your waistline pain is not affected by kidney. Then if you have done the test and there's no any problem with your kidney, then you need this recipe I want to give you. But if it has to do with your kidney, then you have to put this video on notification, on your notification, subscribe and on your notification. I'll be dropping a video of a free recipe you can quickly use to revive your kidney. To revive your kidney to a normal this thing before it gets worse into the extent that you start taking dialysis. So if it's just a waist issue, this video is for you. The first thing you are going to get is have you taken your Bible? Have you subscribed? Do you like? Do you comment? I will appreciate if you go to comment section and said, my name is so from so place, watching you from so place, and I would like you to drop a certain video for certain ailments. So that will guide us on what video to bring next for you. Your request is what we bring the next video. You understand? Once you can just say, Shola from South Africa, kindly give us a free recipe about diabetes. Any ailment you think you're having, I can give you a tips of what you can do by yourself at home. So I may not be able to say all these things in English, because even if I tell you in English, those market women in the local market, they will never understand the scientific name. So I'll better say it in Yoruba name, which they will understand. And kindly buy from a trust source to avoid, to make sure the components are complete and is actually accurate. So for lumbar spondylosis, as I was saying, you need to make sure you get all these recipe I want to give you from a good source that actually know the original. That's the most important. So the first thing you get is, do you know this plantain? Unripe banana, not plantain, banana, unripe local one. You cut it from the stem, you cut it direct. You are using it that same day to keep the potent intact. You get a mortar, you put it inside. You are going to pound it with the skin. You wash it and put the banana as much as you get in a mortar. So you don't remove the skin, you just wash it and put everything there. Then you get a lot of ekwaun. You get lawale, you get orogbo, you get bitter cola, bitter cola, the fresh one, as much as you can. Then you get little mustache, account. You know what I mean by account? I think they call it mustache, and mustache. Potash, yes, account. That one we used to cook ewedu. There's the original one that used to shine like this. That's the one you need. Very little quantity, very little. Then you get these spring onions. Yes, the local one. Spring onions, the one you used to cook fried rice. We need that short native one. We are using it with the root. You pull it, the root. The one I use is the one I plant in my farm, because the same day we pluck it, we use this that same day. For high potency, you use the fresh one that you pluck that same day. Then you get ewe ato, get awopa, then get boni, get enough cayenne pepper, put everything together in the mortar, pound it very well, then spread it where you are not going to spread it under the sun. Where I spread my own is a very big place that we put nets, so that when we try to spread it, there will be no the flies will not pinch on it. So flies will not pinch on it. You understand? So you spread it and you allow breeze to dry it for you. Then after doing that, you now blend it to a very smooth. After drying it, you blend it, you now dust it, and you reblend it again. That's what you need for lumbar spondylosis. Any kind of lumbar, in as much is not related to kidney. If it's related to kidney, kindly put it in the comment section that I should drop a kidney recipe for you that we are going to combine together as you are treating your spine, you are treating your kidney, to quickly reverse it. As they say, early detect gives a new life. Have you subscribed to our channel? Have you liked and comment? Have you on your notification so that when next we drop another video, you can be the first to watch it and quickly make use of it? Kindly share this video on every other platform you know to bring more audience so that the opportunity can reach a lot of people. For any inquiry, kindly read the description below. Every other social media platform, you have it there. Our website, everything you need to be able to reach out back to us is there. If you can produce it by yourself, you are good. But if you can't, we have them on our website, the one we've already made, that are more potent, because we are very determined about the measurement of all these products, so that you don't end up putting the small one and making it a big quantity because it's not your job. But if you know you have the experience, you can do it, you are welcome. We are saying all these recipes so that if you have anything that reacts to your system, you will know what you are putting in your body. You understand? So if you can do it, you go ahead and do it. But if you can't, kindly reach out to us and get our own. If you go to our website, you will see it there. We wrote neuropathy product. It's for neuro issue. It's neuropathy product. That's if it's just about your spine, your lumbar, your spondylosis, or technique, whatever they call it, that's what it is for. In as much it's not related to kidney, it's going to work for you. If it doesn't work for you, you need to check your kidney function test. I'm not trying to scare you. The fact that your kidney might need some help doesn't mean it has been damaged. It's just an advantage to quickly know what the problem is and quickly take something to reverse it before it results to dialysis. So thank you for watching. If you are coming across this video, this is Herbs Gallery. We are here to make life easy for you and give you herbal recipe that will give you a more lifelong span. So don't forget my adage, early detection gives a new life. Read the description below for any other information you need. Thank you and God bless you.